Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Stellar XLM latest update, my friends. What's going on in the Stellar XLM, my friends? And my friends, this video is very good news, very surprise video for all XLM holders, because my friends, after a long term pause, the XLM start jumping, my friends. After a long-term pause, XLM start jumping, so I think that is really a good and surprise video for all of you, my friends. My friends, I request all of you also that if you are new in my channel, so click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. Thanks for subscribing my channel. So now it is time, the last 1 hour only, the last 60-minute pricing is positive 0.86%. This changes is start positive, my friends. And the previous changes, if you talk, so the last 1 day 1 week changes occur in the XLM is in negative, completely the price falls down. But my friends, you know what, that after a long term falls, the XLM start jumping, so that's clear. And I'm sure, my friends, I'm sure about this, that they continue this jump for long term, my friends. Maybe for a 1 week, maybe for a 2 week, maybe possibilities for 1 month, my friends. But uh, you know what, my personal prediction is positive, and a lot of chances, my friends, the 70% chance to the price will pump and 30% chance to the price drop in the future, my friends. That's my prediction. Anyways, what you think, what is your prediction about XLM? Please also share in the comment box. And if you talk about the price chart, so today also the price falls down. You can see here today also the price falls down, but now in the latest change, now in the current situation, the start pumping, my friends. The last 60-minute change is positive, so now from this time they start jumping, and I hope that after a long-term price they start jump, so they continue this jump for a long time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates.